What is up, guys? Today I'm down at Coffs Harbour, aka Rayleigh International Raceway, and it is Winter Jam. It's a 3-day drift event. It's currently the Saturday. I had to work yesterday, so I didn't make it here for the Friday. But I'm going to be drifting today and tomorrow. I've already been out and done a few laps, but I forgot to do an intro. I'm pretty much standing over the other side of the track now, getting some footage, curve this bit, because it is the best part of the track. Watching like 4 cars just like come out together and get through the corner is fucking cool. And they got sweet music, so what else do you need? Yes, so like this. How good is drifting? What's up, guys? I haven't actually started the vlog yet, but I was just running over my car before I basically went out to do some test laps and do all that kind of fun stuff. And I was looking in the engine bay and noticed that my engine mount was half falling out. So the nut had come off the bolt, and yeah, that was about to fall out, and that would have been a really shitty way to start the weekend. So luckily I spotted that, and the mount and the bolt were still there, so I got a new nut for the bolt, and I'm going to Loctite it back in now, and then hopefully my car is ready to do some burnouts. Alright, so a few laps in, and as always my rear bar has fallen off, and then this time my exhaust also fell off, so hopefully I can get it just back on the hangers and it's fine. But we'll see how that goes. It's really hot at the moment, so I'm probably going to ignore that for a while. Someone dropped my rear bar back, so big thank you to that person. Yeah, car feels ridiculous with the more boost, so yeah, kind of want to turn it back down because it was more grippy with less boost, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. Definitely a bit more zippy. And you can tell that one of my tyres is super bald and does not have any grip. Alright, so we'll see how it drives now with fresh rear tyres. Hopefully it's got a bit more grip than before. Also, I did not look at the GoPro angle, so sorry if it's really shit. Alright, so follow Braden from Kamikaze. I still don't have any front grip, so hopefully I don't have to try and not hit people. People get weirded out because I talk to myself and they think I'm talking to them, but I'm talking to the camera. up, guys? On our way to day 2. Oh no, it's day 3. Day 3 of Winter Jam. Pretty much the footage yesterday would have ended with me being like, oh no, my wastegate isn't working anymore. So yeah, my car wasn't making any boost. The wastegate was still the wastegate actuator is still connected. But one of the bolts from the compressor housing fell out that was holding the actuator in. Solid mount live. Anyway, hopefully I can find a bolt when I get back to the track and we can put that back on. Hopefully that fixes the issue. If not, this video will be titled "Guy with Bad Haircut Cries Over His Car Not Working," so you can hold me to that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just smashing some coffee and I feel like I'm getting like sick, which sucks because I hate getting sick. Actually, no one enjoys that. Okay, cool, bye. Alright, so I took the bolt from there. Ow, that's hot. I took the bolt from there and put it back into that one there after lots and lots of fucking around. But yeah, it doesn't leak anymore. Wastegate, actuator seems to be working. Yeah, so hopefully I can go out and do some laps now. I just need to refill the coolant because it drops heaps when I had to take the water line off to get the bolt in, but whatever, SR things. Yeah, so I've only got like half a pair of tyres left. I might, if I'm really feeling it, I'll buy another pair of tyres of Tyre Assist, unsung heroes of all the drift events down here, coming out from wherever they are to change tyres and sell tyres to us. So yeah, really great. I'm gonna find some fucking water for this and then we'll be in the car and I'll try and film some other stuff that isn't just helmet cam because that's all I got yesterday. Alright, so definitely still sounds slightly off, it makes a bit less boost than it should, but yeah, it feels like heaps drivable, so we'll get it back home and probably put the HPS gate on it, actuator on it. And we're out. So obviously I'm driving home now. Yeah, I pretty much loaded up the trailer after those last few runs. They were stupid amounts of fun. The last couple with Rob in his KE70, like I literally like tapped him. Like it was awesome. I was having the best time. Yeah, so pretty much the event's over. I'm driving home. I'm gonna get home, unload the car, back the trailer up my driveway, and then go to work in the morning. So that's very fun. Yeah, so the event that I went to was Winter Jam. There was a lot of like drama about the whole thing. Like it was meant to be at Port Macquarie months and months ago. It got moved to Raleigh. No one got refunds, all that kind of stuff. It was pretty crappy situation. Anyway, I went and the event was awesome. Like there was like 22 or 25 people that actually like turned up. So there was like intense amounts of track time and it was really intimate. There was just a few dudes that you could all just like go chat to or whatever. It was really sick. But yeah, so I had a fantastic time. Thank you to Tommy for putting the event on. Hopefully they do go ahead with more of the events because yeah, it was really fun. Yeah, so my car, I'm just having so many issues with like wastegate actuators. I'm really over it. So I think I don't know, I'm probably not going to drive until like all day session, which is like a month away. So I think in between then and now, I'm going to change out my solid engine mounts. I'm sick of everything rattling loose. I am also going to order a brand new HKS actuator for the T28. Then hopefully I just have zero actuator issues and my turbo just functions normally, and I just don't want to deal with all the crap that I've been dealing with the last few times I've driven it. Like, yeah, very over that. What else? Oh yeah, the car just like, yeah, drives sweet. You can see in some of the later videos it's like down on power. That's due to the actuator issues and like a little exhaust leak out of the housing because I'm missing a bolt, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to try and fix all that stuff. It's very, very annoying. But yeah, other than that, the car's like amazing. I'll do an oil change again because it's done like 3 days worth of track days since I've done an oil change. So I'll do an oil change, tighten everything back up in the front end. I think it needs some rear knuckle bushes, so hopefully they're not that expensive and I can be bothered doing that. But yeah, so the car's done a lot of drifting in the last few weeks. I think it's pretty much done an event every week for 6 or 7 weeks. Like, yeah, it's been crazy. I'm very drained from drifting, but not physically or mentally, just financially. So if you guys can afford to buy some merch, please do. It'll help out a lot and I'll be able to afford to do some stuff. We've got heaps of stuff on stock on the side. I keep chucking new stuff up all the time whenever I make it. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys next week for something. I don't know. I've got to get back in the swing of the weekly video deal. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the merchandise. And I'll see you next week. Bye.